Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now, after the changes to the block inserter, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the changes to the UI of the block settings in WordPress 6.2 beta, where the block tools have been split. So basically, we did touch on this topic a little while back when we were discussing the menus and the navigation block. So that is why I have added navigation block in both WordPress 6.2, as you can see right over here, and WordPress 6.1. So when I will select the navigation block right over here, you will see all of the general settings are right on top, followed by the design settings below it, right? And this has changed, right? So you can see the first option is the list view. So you can drag and drop, like I told, like we've discussed before, right? You can drag and drop, rearrange these items. Okay. Now the next one is the general settings. You can see all of the changes are right over here, and the next one is the design. So any changes to the typography, size, colors are all under the style settings, right? So this is a very welcome change, and this has been introduced in a few blocks only for right now. I think so this change will be rolled out to other blocks as well, but for right now it is in only, you will only find this in certain blocks. And this change is a very welcome change, because until now you had to go through the complete list if you had to go to the style settings of a block, but now they are just a click away from you. You can just go here and make the changes, and it looks much more organized than anything, right? So the settings have now been organized very well, and this is something that again, this is something that I have been pushing in this video a lot, that if you have been using the classic way of doing things, maybe you are still using the classic editor, let's just move to the block editor. It will take a little bit of time, but yeah, you will have to move on from the old tech to the new tech. That's the thing, that's the analogy that I'm going to give you, because creating pages with blocks is much more easier than doing it with the classic editor. Yes, there were options available back in the day, when the block editor was in its initial phases, but now things have drastically changed, and it is much easier for you to build pages using these blocks that are available, maybe from WordPress or from the other developers that are developing block plugins. It is an amazing thing to see how you can build pages easily using these blocks. Okay, so if you are still using the classic not the themes, I personally use classic themes, right? But the classic editor, that's what I'm talking about. So if you are on classic editor, if you are using the classic editor, or you are still doing things the old school way, just move on from that way. It will take you 5 days and you'll be okay. Okay, so make sure you try these things out, because WordPress is really going forward with the basically the block editor. You will find it everywhere now. Okay, so, and that's the thing that I want to say. So move on as soon as possible from the old way of doing things or the classic editor, because that will be great. Okay, so this is basically what I wanted to share with you regarding these block settings. So this is basically the new interface that you see right over here. Okay, so make sure you check it out. Let me know how you feel about these things.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.